Hi, my name is Kevin Ramsey, and I'm president of Alameda Construction Services. We've been in business since 1997. We are a site concrete contractor. We do curb and gutter, sidewalks, driveways, that type of work. We also do minor structural concrete. We use ramp to find out about opportunities, and also when we're looking for work, we go to ramp and search the site and see what opportunities are out there. And every agency in the city has their own contracts, but you can find out all about that when you register with ramp, and then because that's where you go to look for the project. So all the city agencies put all of their bid opportunities in ramp. The advice that I would recommend is keep the faith. You could do this. Find your opportunities. Find something that'll fit for your company. Find something that'll fit for your scope of work. The most important thing is to register in ramp, because once you register in ramp, then you find the opportunity. Sometimes the opportunity find you. People are looking for you. So look in ramp at least 2 or 3 times a week. Find the opportunity that you like. Put your proposal in, learn from your proposal, and do it again. Do it again, do it again, and then one of these times you're gonna get the opportunity to do it, and then once you do it, you do a good job so they can call you back. That's how we do our business. We like to do repeat business with customers that like to do business with us. That's how you stay in business. That's how you get business with ramp. It's a great opportunity. Don't miss out. Make sure you register, go there and look, and send your proposals in.